1. A new trade war. Tariff hikes could hit prices and supply chains. The U.S. is launching an aggressive new tariff policy, imposing a 10% blanket duty on all imports and even higher rates for key trading partners, including China 34%, Europe 20%, and Japan 24%. These moves could lead to rising consumer prices as companies pass costs onto shoppers. With a 25% tariff on foreign-made automobiles, expect higher sticker prices on imported cars, potentially boosting domestic automakers, but also raising overall vehicle costs. The global response will be crucial if major economies retaliate. American exporters from agriculture to tech could suffer, potentially dragging down job growth and economic expansion. Point 2. Stock market volatility. A sign of deeper economic jitters? The immediate drop in U.S. stock futures, especially among consumer and tech giants like Apple, 5%, Amazon 4%, and Nike, 6%, shows Wall Street's deep concerns over Trump's tariff escalation. While markets recovered later in the day, volatility remains a key risk. Investors crave stability, and erratic trade policies could spook them into pulling back from equities. If market uncertainty lingers, it may weaken consumer confidence, slow corporate investment, and put pressure on retirement accounts and 401k savings. 3. TikTok takeover. A digital Cold War in the making. With Apploven and Amazon entering the race to buy TikTok, the US-China tech rivalry is heating up. The forced sale deadline highlights Washington's concerns over national security and data privacy, but also underscores China's growing leverage in negotiations. If Beijing uses TikTok as a bargaining chip to ease tariffs or influence trade talks, the U.S. could face a high-stakes standoff. Meanwhile, any U.S. company acquiring TikTok would instantly gain access to a vast, engaged user base, shaping the future of digital advertising and social media influence. For vaccine delays and healthcare uncertainty, the FDA's failure to meet its deadline for approving Novavax's COVID-19 vaccine raises concerns about political interference in public health. With Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s history of vaccine skepticism, the delay may signal a shift in federal health policy. If regulatory approvals slow down, it could impact not just COVID vaccines, but also future medical innovations, from flu shots to cancer treatments. Meanwhile, the FTC's stalled lawsuit on insulin prices due to Trump firing Democratic commissioners suggests potential shifts in drug pricing policies, which could affect millions of Americans reliant on life-saving medications.